Did you know that there is a lot of parallels between how language models like ChatGPT learn to speak and how we speak? One of these is comparing in humans the fact that we tend to think one word at a time. There's parts of your brains that are involved in sequencing that really just put words in a sequence. And we also have a lot of evidence that the way you read happens in a sequential manner where you really only understand words as they go along. When you're starting the sentence, you don't really understand what's the end, so that seems quite reasonable. But that's quite important because that is very specific to how these models are trained as well. Now, a common point that is made is that the most recent type of AI models that are based on transformer models are arguably much less like how the human brain works compared to the older generation, which were called recurrent neural networks. If you take a certain perspective that actually the way that the self-attention mechanism, which is one of the key innovations of the transformer model, that actually very closely aligns with how the striatum works, which is one of the central pieces in the loop that allows you to sequentially produce words. So if you take a sort of perspective on it, then the way that these models produce one word at a time is very similar to our loop that allows us to produce one word at a time.